How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix Apex Legends micro stuttering and micro lag and freezes. So basically, this only means one thing, is that our computer is having a hard time basically allocating resources to Apex Legends. So if you're experiencing those problems, we have to do the following. If you have a lot of background applications opened up on your computer, you want to go ahead and basically close them to allocate more resources and allow the computer to basically free up those resources and not run out of it. So that's the first thing and the easiest thing to do. Next is you want to head over to your system tray, which is going to be this one. From here, you want to close another set of background applications. For example, in my case, I have the wallpaper engine, I have my Riot games, I have the Microsoft Copilot, and many more. So if you also have something like Medal TV, which can go ahead and hinder your performance, you want to simply close that similar applications or applications that basically record your computer. Now on the Apex Legends game, head over to setting, navigate through video, and simply inside you want to go ahead and lower down the graphical aspect of your game. For example, ragdoll, impact marks, effects can go ahead and basically take our resources that will cause micro lags and freezes on our game. So you want to go ahead and try to lower this down. You could disable some of the effects, and simply right after, it will then go ahead and free up your space. And the last thing that you want to do, if you have with all of the things, is to try to lower down your resolution. Basically, with lower resolution, it means that we have smaller pixels that our computer can handle. So with that said, it will basically run Apex Legends in a less resources compared to the native 1080p. And of course, if nothing works, you then have to upgrade some of your computer parts if necessary. And so hopefully after doing the steps, you have fixed your problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.